Yesterday, I was watching other YouTubers, specifically growing figs, and I started asking myself, why aren't my fruit trees, figs, apples, growing like everybody else's? Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So, yesterday, I was watching other YouTubers, specifically growing figs, and I started asking myself, why aren't my fruit trees, figs, apples, growing like everybody else's? And then I had a epiphany. I'm not the brightest crayon in the box sometimes. I planted these back in March, April, but I have never fed them. So we're going to start a feeding program with my fruit trees where I feed them at least once a month with a granular fertilizer and a liquid fertilizer. So in my container here, I have a quart of bone meal and I have a quart of general purpose tomato fertilizer. And I mixed everything up together and I'm going to spread it along the root area. The base of each of my fruit trees. About a hand, maybe two handfuls. And then we're going to come back and we're going to water them with a liquid fertilizer. So I'm just taking a handful and spreading it around the base of the plant. So we got all the trees fertilized, and now we're going to go mix up some of the AgroThrive fruit and flower formula in my 2.5 gallon container, and then we're going to come back and water them in. Okay, okay, so we're back. This is my American plum, and we're going to give it a nice drink with the liquid fertilizer in. Okay, we're going to do that for all the ones that we fertilize, and I'll show you that on time lapse, and then we'll come back and close out the video. So we got all of the plants fed and fertilized and watered. So hopefully this process will help them take off and start to grow. I can really kick myself for not fertilizing them for the months of April, May, and June. So 3 months. And they really haven't grown much since I put them in the ground. And I figured by now they should have grown. So hopefully, like I said, this helps. And every month moving forward, we'll go ahead and feed them, except for during the fall or up until the freeze comes for me. So I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you got something out of it, brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. If you are interested in any of the products that I use to fertilize my fruit trees, they're listed on my Amazon storefront and also on my website. The links for both of them are in the description portion of the video. And this is the AgroThrive liquid fertilizer that I was referring to. If I'm doing fruits or peppers, this is what I use to give the plant a immediate boost of fertile energy. It has 3% total nitrogen, and 2.41% of that is water soluble. 0.59% is water insoluble. It has phosphate and potash in it. So it's real good for my plants. Now, if I'm doing greens or something like that, then I use the other formula, the general purpose, and it has the green label. And like I said, both of these are listed on my website, and the link is in the description portion of the video. So at this point, take a moment to consider joining my channel or subscribing to my channel. I can grow a lot of stuff by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.